For homeowners in Milton, upgrading your windows can make a dramatic difference in how your home looks, feels, and performs. Whether you're aiming to improve energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, or replace older, drafty windows, professional window installation ensures that your investment delivers long-lasting results. While DIY installation might seem tempting, the expertise, precision, and craftsmanship that come with hiring professionals are what truly set a high-quality installation apart. Here's why Milton residents benefit most when they trust the experts. Perfect fit for maximum efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of professional window installation is precision. Even the best window on the market can underperform if it's not fitted properly. Professional installers take exact measurements and use specialized tools to ensure every window fits snugly and aligns perfectly with your home's frame. This prevents air leaks, gaps, and drafts, all of which can lead to higher energy bills and inconsistent indoor temperatures. In a climate like Milton's, where winters can be chilly and summers humid, energy-efficient windows installed by experts help regulate temperature year-round. That means lower heating and cooling costs and a more comfortable living environment for your family. Enhanced energy efficiency and insulation. Windows play a crucial role in your home's energy performance. Poor installation can cause your HVAC system to work overtime, allowing heat to escape during winter or cool air to leak out in summer. Professional installers understand how to properly seal and insulate each window to maintain a tight thermal envelope. They use weatherproof materials, high-quality caulking, and insulation techniques that prevent air and moisture infiltration. The result? A more energy-efficient home that keeps your indoor climate stable while reducing environmental impact. Over time, these savings can significantly offset your initial installation costs. Protection against moisture and damage. Moisture is one of the biggest threats to any home, especially in areas like Milton where seasonal rain and humidity can lead to condensation and water damage. Improperly installed windows can allow water to seep into the wall cavity, causing rot, mold growth, and even structural problems. Professional installers know how to apply flashing, sealants, and drainage systems that redirect water away from vulnerable areas, ensuring your windows stay watertight. By preventing leaks early, you'll avoid expensive repairs down the road and protect your home's long-term value. Improved home value and curb appeal. New windows instantly refresh your home's appearance, adding modern style and functionality. Professionally installed windows not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also increase resale value. Buyers in Milton appreciate homes with energy-efficient upgrades, and properly installed windows often stand out as a key selling point. Additionally, professionals can recommend designs and finishes that complement your home's architecture, whether you prefer a sleek modern look or a timeless traditional style. A flawless installation also ensures smooth operation, meaning your windows will open, close, and lock effortlessly for years to come. Warranty protection and peace of mind. When you hire professionals, you're not just paying for installation, you're investing in warranty coverage and peace of mind. Most window manufacturers require certified installation to keep warranties valid. Attempting a DIY install can void your coverage, leaving you unprotected if issues arise later. Professional window companies stand behind their work, often offering labor warranties in addition to manufacturer guarantees. This means if any problems occur due to installation, repairs or adjustments are handled at no extra cost to you. That kind of reliability and assurance is invaluable, especially when it comes to such a significant home upgrade. Safety and proper tools. Installing windows requires more than basic handyman skills. It involves working with heavy glass, power tools, and precise measurements, all of which can pose safety risks for untrained homeowners. Professional installers follow strict safety procedures, have the right equipment, and are trained to handle unexpected challenges like uneven frames or hidden structural damage. By hiring experts, you ensure the job is done safely and efficiently, without risking injury or property damage. Final thoughts. When it comes to window installation in Milton, professional service is the difference between average and exceptional results. Skilled installers guarantee a perfect fit, maximum efficiency, and long-term durability, all while enhancing your home's beauty and value. With expert installation, Milton homeowners can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable, and energy-efficient living space year-round, knowing their investment was done right from the start.